What can turn a demolished village into a beacon of hope? In the aftermath of the devastating 2020 earthquake in central Croatia, a group of locals emerged as unlikely heroes. Faced with destruction and despair, these villagers united to rebuild their shattered homes, using innovative designs and sustainable materials. Their determination not only restored their village, but also rejuvenated community spirit, attracting national attention. By transforming adversity into opportunity, they sparked a movement of resilience and innovation across the region, proving the immense power of motivated communities.